Okay, hello dear students and welcome to your second term. Today we are going to start with Unit 7. It is called How Was Your Weekend? And I hope you had a great weekend and a great holiday. Okay, so let's start with our vocabulary. And of course, for the first word we have today is weekend. Weekend. Weekend means a break in the working week. It means the Friday and Thursday or Friday and Saturday that you take off and you are absent from school or from your work. Okay. Weekend. Then we have the word funfair. Funfair is a place where you can play different games, like when you go on a ride, or you ride the big wheel, or you eat popcorn or see a show. It's the same meaning of an amusement park. Fun fair. Okay. Bowling alley. Bowling alley is a building which contains lanes for bowling. Bowling alley. A building which contains lanes for bowling. Then we have the word exhibition. Exhibition. A large-scale public showing of objects or products. Large-scale public showing of objects or products. Where you can buy things or you can see different paintings by different painters. Exhibition. Then we have the word aquarium. Aquarium is a public place where fish are exhibited. And believe it or not, there are different kinds of fish, and it's a magnificent place. Then we have the word planetarium. Planetarium. Planetarium is a museum which displays images of space, usually in 3D. Planetarium. As shown in the picture, it is a dolphin. Dolphin. Dolphin, as we all know, is a friendly sea animal. Then we have the word sports center. Sports center. It is a place where you can do sports indoors. A place where you can do sports indoors. Sports center. Stadium. Stadium. A stadium is a place where you can play or watch sports matches, not like football matches between Al-Ahli and Zamalek and so on. Stadium. Wheel. 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 Wheel means one of the round objects under the car that turns when it moves. One of the round objects under the car that turns when it moves. Wheel. Okay. Diary. It is a notebook where you can write down your experiences, your private thoughts, and so on. Diary. Diary. Nervous. Nervous. It means worried or frightened about something. When you are worried or frightened about something, you are nervous. Today is my exam. I am nervous. School canteen. School canteen. School canteen is a dining room in a school. School canteen. Swimming pool. Swimming pool. A swimming pool is an area of water that has been created for people to swim in. An area of water that has been created for people to swim in. Swimming pool. School uniform. School uniform means special clothes worn by pupils at school. Special clothes worn by pupils at school. School uniform. dark. Dark. Dark means with no or very little light, especially because it's night. With no or very little light, especially because it's night. Dark. Now moving to our second part, it is the grammar part. We have the past simple today. First, we have to know why do we use the past simple. We use the past simple to talk about an action or situation that started and ended in the past. An action or a situation that started and ended in the past. Let's start by the positive statement. To get the form of the past simple in a positive statement, we use the second conjugation, in which we have two kinds of verbs, the regular verb, and we will start by it, and the irregular verb. Let's start by the regular verb. It consists of the base form plus D, ed, or I, ed. We add D when the base form or the verb itself ends in E, like the verb like, liked, move, moved. Then we add IED when the verb's ending in a consonant plus Y, like carry, carried. We omit the Y and add IED, study, studied. The rest of the verbs we add ED. Okay, but note here that some verbs ending in a single consonant plus the second last letter is a vowel. Okay? So, when the verb ends in a consonant preceded by a vowel, we double the consonant letter when adding ed. For example, plan, planned, stop, stopped. Now, let's move to the irregular verbs. By the way, it don't have special or definite ending. They have different endings in the past. That's why we call them irregular verbs. For example, run, ran, buy, bought, read, read, drink, drank, go, went, see, saw, swim, swam, eat, ate, etc. Okay, now let's move to the negative form. We make the negative or form the negative by adding didn't plus the infinitive to the subject. So it's the subject plus didn't plus the infinitive. For example, he didn't go shopping. They didn't see water show in the evening. Let's move to the question. We have two different kinds of question. First, it is the yes or no question. It means the answer is yes or no. The form is did plus the subject plus infinitive. For example, did Ali see his friend? Yes, he did. Or no, he didn't. The WH question is our second kind. And by WH we mean the words that start with the WH. For example, where, when, what, and so on. It consists of it consists of the question word plus did plus subject plus the infinitive. For example, where did you put the tablet? I put it on the table. Okay. Let's move to the last part. It is the keywords. Our keywords is yesterday or a period of time plus ago. For example, I saw Ahmed 3 days ago. Or in the past, in plus any year in the past, in 2019, in 2008. Then we have the word last plus a period of time like last week, last month, last year, and so on. Now I can say that we came to the end of our lesson. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it was useful for you. Thank you so much.